Tori on the beat.
No, I don't need to. Okay, what's up, guys? You know, it's your boy J Trigger up in the video. You know, we're gonna be playing squads with the homies.
Sound
Yeah,
like a
sir.
white boy talk. Like
That ass.
you sound like a 7-year-old. I'm not gonna cat.
Cause I am 7-year-old. Cause I'm 7 inches deep in your mommy.
Huh?
7 inches deep. Wait, 7 inches deep in your
Where do you want
mommy.
me to jump?
Hey, I just got the Rari.
Right, mark
Driving
that.
the Ferrari. Hey, hey,
Oh
hey.
my fucking god.
Got a couple racks. You know, I
Come
spit
on,
that. You
one-handed
stay
kid.
talking shit on Snapchat. Hey, I can't fuck with that.
But my
I ain't
setup
gonna
goes
lie, this some
hard.
cap. You look
Bro,
like a
shut up.
cat. You look like a cat. Hey,
Fucking
Okay.
sound like from the night, bro. Shut up.
what'd you say?
You sound like Killy from the night. You just need some auto tune.
Shut the fuck up. That's why you always whisper.
That's
Oh
why I
damn.
fucked you.
What'd
He
you
just
say?
said you whisper. That's fucking tough.
What
That's
if,
why I fucked you, bro.
shit, what if
You
I
know,
don't have a mom?
you know what's the funny thing? When I whisper your mom's here, she gets horny.
Oh, for real?
You wish, buddy, but okay.
Shut up, mister. I
Hey,
can't make
low-key.
beats.
Huh?
Shut up, mister. I can't make beats.
Oh,
You guys can't. Alright, bet. Just get them off of YouTube.
Okay, I will. I will. You saw how mad he got me? Try to talk
Yeah.
shit about my mama. When I talk about shit about his beats, he gonna be like, oh. I'm kidding about that. I
Bro,
love
there's,
you.
I'm getting shot. I'm getting shot.
I got you.
that's tough, isn't it? If y'all die together, bro, I'm gonna kill me. Oh fuck, I forgot this is squads. Oh fuck. Jacob,
So,
here's one thing. For me and you, it's gonna be duos.
Fuck you.
facts.
Fuck both of you.
It's kind of sus.
There's somebody at this house.
At your mom's house, yeah.
Outside.
Oh, shit, what the fuck is that? It's so hard to play with one. But like, I'm playing with two, but like with the cat.
He's ass. He's fucking ass.
What the fuck are we gonna do?
What do you mean what we're gonna do?
I'm just waiting for y'all to just like say where to fucking go, cause I don't got shit to do.
We're staying here, dumbass, until we have to
Try
go
to stay
somewhere
close
else.
with us.
Yeah.
Fuck, I couldn't even get up at some fucking ramp.
If
Shit, I
you
don't wanna.
pick,
There's people coming, there's people coming.
I bet. I'll get your reboot if anything happens.
other Ash, I got them.
Guys.
Ah! Bro, can you like stop killing my kills, taking my kills, bro?
Well, you got one hand. I'm trying to help you out. Okay, I'm sorry.
Because of handicap, bro. That's racist.
How? I'm just telling you. I'm trying to help you out, dumbass. How's that fucked up? You know, I'm trying to help my friend out.
That's
Oh,
racist. Because of handicap.
Don't make me
That's
blow
not
you
even
up. Look at my
racist.
hand. Don't make me blow you. No, look at me. Don't make me blow you up.
Awesome.
Osvaldo,
What?
you should make a Playboy Cardi type beat for me.
Playboy Cardi? Bet.
With the fire ass melody. I'll spit some bars on that bitch.
And it sounds like a fucking dying horse. Clown emojis.
Shut up. That's why yours will sound like
Hey,
a
shut-
fucking your mom getting raped.
Get your ass up.
Pull up to the school, everybody
I mean,
know
you're
cool.
getting
I
raped.
don't need no
Wait.
fucking jewel. You think that you're cool, but you know you just a fool, bitch. Suck on my dick. Yeah. Wait.
I'm gonna go see the homie
Bitch, suck on
Pablo.
my dick. Yeah, she
I'm gonna
like
go
the
see
jewel.
Pablo.
Oh, you
Pablo,
heard
the one
that?
that wants to fuck me.
You're retarded. No, okay, look. I'm talking. No, look. I'm talking about in game. Cause in Fortnite, there's this one truck. Me and Jacob, we call him Pablo. Right here. Right here. Why are you getting scared?
Oh no, you saw like a shadow.
Yeah, I'll show you a shadow.
What did I have? Pero no, 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 no. Hey, I saw somebody. I saw people.
Those are fake.
No, I know it's not. Hey, Osvaldo, so how is it with your parents working at home?
Yo, there's a helicopter.
What?
How is it with your parents working from home?
I don't fucking know.
So I thought they work from home.
I know, but all I just do is sleep all day. I didn't even talk with my dad today.
Oh, no.
I'm just still mad at him.
Oh, yeah.
Why you mad at him?
Oh, I cracked his ass.
Bro, stop shooting my kid, bro. I want to kill him.
You're shooting at a tree.
I did not make it shoot.
And plus, that's a bot.
I don't care.
So you can go get that. That's a bot, so you can go kill him. I don't need his trash ass to give me some shitty ass guns. Is anybody there? Is the boss there or no? Don't die, Osvaldo. Osvaldo, don't die.
I got ammo, my bad. I buy.
Oh my god.
I got ammo. Please help.
Let's go help him.
Hold up, I got people on me.
Real people or fake?
Fake. They're shooting at me, so I had to get them. Oh
Osvaldo,
my
come here,
god.
Osvaldo, come here. Get that disguise right there. I got him. Get in that red box.
Click on it.
Osvaldo, come here.
You what? Hold on.
Osvaldo, take that. Oh, never mind.
Take what?
Take this.
The thing he marked.
See? It's so hard to kill.
Ow.
She really misses me, doesn't she?
My girlfriend's asleep. Sadly.
Your girlfriend's asleep.
Yeah.
Mine's watching Netflix on her fucking MacBook with her rich ass.
Rad.
You got a mouth?
Yeah.
Osvaldo, you good? You good? We're coming.
Huh?
I'm coming if you need help.
He sounds like he's moaning every time he responds to us, but what? Where is there any people?
Oh.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, there's an SMG we just... Oh, hey guys, come in my helicopter right here.
Can I drive it?
No, I'm driving it.
What helicopter? Bro, don't leave me, bro. Don't leave me.
Get in.
That's fine.
That's actually loud.
Alright, ready? We're getting shot at.
From where? Oh, it's a...
You know something?
What?
If I was you, I would not trust a man driving the helicopter. Because you know, it's a bus, you know. He might crash you out.
If Tilted was still here, he would trash it to Tilted. I'm here. Oh my god. I'm trying to get a snipe out of the air.
I'm gonna go crash it. I'm gonna park it.
Literally impossible to see. I can't even see anybody. No scope. Imagine. Stop shooting, there's nobody. Oh, Twin Towers.
Alright, let's drop.
Oh, I see people. I see people. Wait. Wait, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Wait, go that way, go that way, go that way, go that way. Watch
They're right there.
That was horrible. Hold up. Go back. Go like backwards, I guess.
Oh, I saw that.
Sideways, go sideways.
Yeah, I'm a Muslim. I'm a trusted pilot. Hold up. I'm gonna crash into him. Hold on.
I'm stopping you.
I cracked him.
Got his ass with a flame.
Wait, stop.
I told you I'm a trusted Muslim.
Hey, yo, can I get the ammo? Can I get that sniper ammo?
How do I get up? Yeah, how do I get up?
What ammo?
Sniper ammo.
There.
Oh.
Where's his homies at?
Right there, right there. Oh my god.
How did that one? How do I get up? Yeah, how do I get up?
Oh, I thought that was Osvaldo.
So how do I get up? I'm the rest. How do I get up?
There's like a button. It's like a little character leaving. It should be there, bro.
I'm pressing.
Yeah, I got A.
You have to hold it.
You have to hold it. There you go. Hold on, let me get out from this. Hold up. There we go.
Electronic.
I couldn't even hear you from how loud this shit is. What'd you say?
Alright, let's go, boys.
Oh.
I see a tall building.
There's people over there.
No, there's storm over there, so
Oh!
I see you. Hop off, boys. Hop off, boys.
Let's go, bitch.
Oh my god, my game froze. Nice.
Man, can you like to stop fucking taking my kills, bro?
Who's taking your kills?
I don't know.
It's just a blue tag for whoever wants it.
I'm good.
I'm just not getting done with ammo.
Yo, I hit a
What
sniper.
do you need?
Come on, Osvaldo.
Who's shooting like that?
Okay, it's hard to say. Like, I don't
Get
have
your, get your ass in here.
I don't
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this kid.
But I don't have to aim on myself.
I see a top building.
Where?
Right there, right there.
My
I'll be
graphics
back.
are goofy. We're getting shot at. From where? Do you see them?
Where they at? Oh, they're over there.
Bro, what?
Oh.
Woo! Give me that.
God damn.
Did he just blow up?
Yeah, he did.
Told you, you're done fucking.
What? I'm killing people for y'all. Be happy. Get in.
Wait, let me get this one right here.
I couldn't blow up.
Let me get this shit real quick. Hey, take the bombs from me. No, move. You don't know how to drive it. Osvaldo. Osvaldo, no! Okay. No.
You gotta get blown
I had to.
I'm here.
No, I had to. Get down.
Get down. I'll heal him.
That was really good.
Bro, if he could have landed it nicely like that, why'd you even get off?
I pressed the wrong button.
Oh my god.
I deadass can't build, bro.
Well, there's a solo left.
Oh. I just realized.
We're gonna win this one.
About time.
Of course we are. We're the ghost.
How many kills you got, Osvaldo?
Huh?
How many kills you got?
Osvaldo's like, that's private information.
Alright, let's not play that.
Fucking much. Bro, don't you see another thing? Please stop blowing up. Fuck you, bro. Are you really?
There's a solo left. Where's he at?
Bro, I'm actually ass.
Did I put aimbot?
Get him.
That's how we want.
Your first win, kid noob.